Good morning guys, my name's Alex and I live in a van with my girlfriend Marcela and 2 dogs. And this is my daily vlog. So I've just had an email about a package I need to go and pick up from the post office, which I forgot about. So I'm gonna go and get that, and then I'm gonna go and I think Marcella's gonna do the washing while I go and upload yesterday's vlog in the bar. But yeah, dry January, so no beer to go with the upload, unfortunately. Parcel to collect, please. Oh. So we just need to nip into Beanie's, which is a bar here in 𝐬𝐬𝐧 to upload yesterday's vlog. And while we're there, go ahead, dude, go ahead. While we're there, Marcella's gonna do some laundry in one laundry spot, and then we're gonna go to the shopping place and do more laundry. Marcella likes to steal other people's laundry as well when we come to laundrette.
She's a naughty girl with a bad habit.
This one, nice. Schoolboy error, always check the data speed before you buy a coffee. Been here half an hour now. On the other hand, it is a very secure cup of coffee. Yeah, we've pretty much given up on that. 18% after like, what, an hour and a half. So pretty much today's vlog is about uploading yesterday's vlog.
Let's go and get the hot pizza.
Really? Oh, we're gonna get hot pizza, really? I was all, you know, planned and then I heard pizza, so
well,
I've been thrown.
we can go. Well, you don't want to go shopping in Hungry, do you?
No, definitely shop it. Don't go. No.
So.
So we don't want to go. We don't want to go shopping hungry because it's dangerous.
Yeah.
Because you buy everything you see. So we need to go for a pizza, basically. To save us money in the supermarket, we've got to go for a pizza. Makes sense, doesn't it? Where are we going for a pizza then? Arriba, arriba!
Mexican.
Oh, that pizza in St. John. You want to go there, do you? Okay, okay.
Is it 2 for 1 or something?
Oh, it's Tuesday.
Is it?
No, it's on Tuesday. It's Wednesday now, no? It's Wednesday. Look at that. It's a sad sight, isn't it? But there's always pretty lights. So we decided against pizza and we come to this place. Apparently they do a really good vegan burger.
I do if I have to.
Okay. And do you do vegan burgers?
Vegan? Yes.
Oh, thumbs up.
Vegan, I can do potatoes, 𝐸 potatoes, 𝐸 with tomatoes. Ah no, vegan is without burger. Vegan is no beef. No beef, just 𝐸 potatoes is like
Oh, what you got there? Oh, hello, Chico. Hi, Chico. There it is. We just met the landlady from our old local. How mad! Fuel. Washing done. Shopping done. Is everything done? Shopping. And cash machine, washing, fuel, shopping, silicone to get silicone, but I think I've got some post office, beanies, dishes. We'll do that. Oh, done the dishes? Everything done. So we're now heading off. Right, we've got a bit of a problem. Like the back doors are getting really wet. I'm gonna go into more detail on why it is tomorrow, why I think it is anyway. But we need to dry the back doors and like the garage out. So we're gonna go to a spot which is only 20 minutes away from here, but it gets like, it's meant to get sun all day long. And tomorrow's a bright, you know, a non-cloudy day. So we're heading there for tonight. Open the doors up in the morning, dry the back out before it turns into a rot pit. Okay, let's go. Proper nice showers up there. Okay. We're at the location. Obviously can't see much at the moment, but in the morning hopefully this is going to be a nice sunny spot. Definitely looks open enough. If my camera skills were good enough, I'd be able to show you those stars. Sign the vlog off there.
Empty the tank.
Oh, yeah. So, it's going to -7 tonight, which usually means the water freezes. Sometimes you get away with it. I'm not sure what it is that makes you get away with it or not. I think it might be the amount of water that's in there or something. But so we're going to dump the water and empty the water heater before we chill out. And then in the morning we can use the bottles we've got in the back just to put a bit more in and then use it through the day. Saves having frozen pipes. Okay, signing off. See you tomorrow. Bye. Bye everybody. Say bye. Bye everybody. Son, can you say bye? Bye bye. Bye son. Bye son. Bye. Yeah. Okay, maybe next time. So I've just emptied the water tank and the water heater, which is the water heater's in the back here, as you can see. And this right here is a winter van life problem. Frozen, can't shut it. I don't know what time it is, but it's late and. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you liked it. If you did, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And ding my bell, because you won't even know if I've uploaded a video otherwise. Cheers guys, see you on the next one.